ladies.
Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, everybody. How are we? Happy motherfucking Sunday. Lay down, Mr. Light, so everyone can see your smiling pug mug. Get it? Hi, everybody. Bam. Happy Sunday. How are we doing? Who got hair first? Ah, congratulations, P. Dids, on getting hair first. Hi, Raheen. Hi, Ghoul. Hi, Yup Pup. Can y'all hear that my voice is like gone from yesterday? Can you believe that? I don't think I've ever laughed so hard in my life. But I hope y'all are doing well today. Today has been a good day. Yeah, Pup. I saw the alert and was right here, but I'm at a disadvantage because I'm not in the Discord. True. True. Hi, K-Mac. How are you? I hope you're doing well. I hope if you're still streaming, your stream is doing well. Actually, I think you rated Panda. I hope your stream was good and your raid was good. Y'all, we are playing some Phasmo tonight. And P-Dids is joining me for now. Raheen, you're absolutely welcome to join if you would like. Same with anybody else who would like to join for some Phasmo nanigans. Also, I don't think Cookie is here right now, but I wanted to like demonstrate that I added a new command. And Rahid, P-Dids did not cheat, according to P-Dids, though the jury's out on that one. Maybe P-Dids had insider information. Maybe they didn't. Okay. Let's do this thing. And P-Dids, if you are up for VCing. Oh yeah, like I literally forgot that I was talking about the new command. It's exclamation oop, like O-O-P. I want to know how loud it'll be.
Oop, wig.
Oop, wig. It's really fast. Which is why I didn't make it a redemption. Let's get P-Dids up in here. Hello. Hi.
How are you?
I'm doing well, although I'm being accosted by Yup Pup. Are you ready for some ghosting action?
Yes.
I do need to make a head-on sound command, though. Do you know that? Head-on apply directly to the forehead commercial. It was a real commercial, apparently. Okay.
Do you need me to bring anything? Looks like you're pretty stocked.
That's up to you. I do have the friendo loadout enabled because I'm happy to provide. Is that weird? I'm happy to provide. I have enough money that I'm okay hosting the items. But if you would like to change anything to like a lower tier or whatever, let me know.
No, I'm good.
Because maybe you want your tier 1 thermometer, you know? I don't know.
No, I've become a big girl that uses the good one now.
Once I realized that you can hold it down, my life was changed. I was clicking it every time I wanted a temperature instead of holding it where it would give you updated readings every second.
Oh.
And if you didn't know that, well, now you do. And it will change your life.
It is recently learned.
Okay, good. I don't feel as much of a fool then. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's see. Yep, pup. I'm dyeing my hair. I don't know if I got it blonde enough, but I'm nervous to bleach it a second time. Going to dye to Dark Star. Ooh. From Manic Panic. You've seen me with it before. Oh, I have. Well, I'm excited to see it. I like the idea of Dark Star. Ghoul. Yep, today is great. I'm off the next 2 days. Ooh, and I'm glad your yesterday was great. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's see. What?
One of the new weekly tasks is get perfect investigation on Nightmare or Harder.
Okay, well then this'll be our warm-up. Okay, and that'll be our goal.
And earn boodles of money from contracts, and then challenge mode is on Edgefield this week.
Edgefield. Oh, I know that one. That's the one with lots of rooms and bathrooms. That's the one with 50 bathrooms. I'll take this, please, and I'll take this, and I'll take some of this. I'll take this. Wait, is my game... Ah, my game was muted.
Oops.
Mommy witchling taking care of her babies. You know it. Oh no. I forgot to bring my headset. Which, y'all, I learned how to put them back. I learned how to take a headset off. And no, we don't like Freddy's Fashion. Are you kidding me? Also, just checking, P-Dids, you can hear me, right?
I can, yes.
Okay. I had muted an accident, and then I didn't know if it was still like that. Did you look where the thingy was? Because I did not.
Oh, no.
I'll check the, garage. Oh, Sophia, you said, why do we not like Freddy's Fashion? Wait, is she hunting already?
No. She went ahead and showed her face right here in the piano room.
Well, that was rude. It must be in
there's
the basement.
orbs, and I can see my breath.
Oh, hot damn. This is the ghost room.
See it hard.
Okay, well, there's the thermometer. There's that. I'm gonna take the... No! Well, we're not gonna get perfect on this professional mode.
It's the warm-up, so it's okay.
Exactly. I'm still so sorry.
I will forgive you this
Such
one
a fool.
time.
This one time? Okay.
Happens again, though.
I don't want to go into... I don't know, P-Did's bad graces.
It's pretty hard to get there. Pretty hard.
Ooh, my favorite hiding spot is here in the living room. Sophia, his sweater is literally so warm and welcoming. What is this welcoming lie that you've just told us? Freddy Krueger's sweater is not welcoming. Is that you playing the piano?
It was not me.
Oh my god. I don't like how active this ghost is.
She's following me out of the house.
It's not a hunt, though?
No.
Okay. It's always so confusing when the activity meter is at 10.
It was an event, but she literally chased me out of the house.
Damn.
I ran for my life.
Rude. I'm sorry for...
Come back in here. Hey, how you doing?
Hi.
I dropped
Do you
salt.
see this 10 activity? Very confusing.
Yes.
You grab salt? Okay.
There's one salt in there.
Raheem, so much for the perfect game. I know. I had to ruin it.
And we need a photo of the ghost. That's 2 times I could have got a picture. I'm gonna carry a camera with me. Okay, the hands are full.
Your dots like covers the whole situation, but I'll just make it so we have excess dots. Well, Sophia, your sweater can be comfy and delicious, but Freddy Krueger's is not. His is scratchy. It's made of a really.
It's a 5.
EMF 5. Bam, bam, bam. I love Freddy. I just don't like his fashion. I'm sorry.
We have Raju or Obake.
What's the second one? Did we get?
Or Obake. Or we have orbs.
Oh, right, the Orbeez.
So.
Could it still be Mimi? No. No, it could not.
No.
Oh my god, the microwave's done. We get it.
Oh, so we don't need the spirit box. Okay.
Yay.
Let me go get more salt.
I love when we don't need that.
Okay.
Okay. So, oh my god! It just launched the book in front of me. Rude.
She's cranky.
Bet they are. They threw it again. Oh my god! What was that? What was that? I've never seen it look like that. That was awful.
We need a picture of it if you
Well, I panicked. Okay, it was like a ghost.
Look at it. Look at the book.
What?
Look at the book under your butt.
I know, it stood up. Oh, there it is. It's an Obake.
Oh.
Did you take this salt picture yet?
I did not, but I think we can both take them and it counts.
What? That's wild.
We're testing it.
Okay, you got a 3-star. Yeah, 3-star. Ooh. Wait, how many pictures do we have left? We need one of the ghost. Hold your horses.
I'll wait for it. And if I die?
Right.
Nice knowing
It'll be
you.
worth it. What are there? Oh, we literally just...
Oh, so it's Obake.
Yeah.
It's an Obake.
Obakey.
Obake.
These are open.
That ghost book is like having a hard time. Oh, yours isn't moving.
My what?
Your ghostwriting book. Oh, no, it's stopped.
Oh, I didn't know yours was moving. Mine was just
It was
stood
like
up on end.
stuck. Like mine was like tapping on the ground consistently.
Weird. No, not mine. Oh my god! It doesn't
I need
like
to smudge
us.
stick. I'm getting scared. Hold on. Oh, it likes people when they're alone, so don't die. Have your camera.
I do. I got it. Show yourself, ghost. Also, yeah, Chucky does have good sweaters, but yeah, I don't like the writing on it. You're right. Whoa. Sophia, do exclamation oop. Oh my god, come on. It keeps touching the window, but it won't show me.
Weird.
Oh, I see a handprint on the window.
I know, it keeps touching stuff, but it won't show itself.
Where is there hiding in here?
There's the lockers right here.
Will it not find us in there?
Oh, weird.
Do you hear it, Sophia, or is it too quiet for you or too fast? Oh,
I got her.
Oh, thank God, because I did not. Let's
got
get
her.
out of here. Ah.
I got it. The reflexes were fast today.
That was great. Oh yeah, our negative sanity. So you got
Oh, that's
Obake?
great. Yep.
Sophia, it says oop wig.
Let me empty my pockets before we go.
Okay.
Oh, we didn't get the bone.
I totally forgot. That's just a reminder for when we do our real game next.
Right? Where was the bone?
Where?
Upstairs.
Oh, yeah. So it's just we.
Are you there?
I can't. Get ghost. Oh wait, that's the wrong one.
About to switch out.
Earn perfect investigation bonus on nightmare or harder. Okay, so it doesn't require us to play the challenge mode, but challenge mode is Edgefield. Okay. Look at P-Dids as the ghost. Let's see what the challenge mode is.
I'm levitating because I can.
Wait, where is this the challenge mode? Detectives only. Put your detective skills to the test. This ghost is giving nothing away. That's the challenge mode on Edgefield. So you get no no evidence. Does that make sense?
That's dumb.
It sounds very hard, but I bet Cookie could do it because that's their challenge mode.
Sounds like
no
a
evidence.
game this week to play with Cookie. Yeah.
Watch Cookie play. Yes, not play myself. You're right. Okay, but this does not require us to
Do hard
play on
stuff?
any specific map. So where would you like to go?
Wherever you would like. I'm even down for random if you can't pick.
Nightmare on random. You have lost your mind.
Oh, that's what. I'm fine with it. I'm fine with it. We've arrived.
You smashed these computers right before I got here. How could you?
I did. I was upset.
You were like, I want random mode or nothing.
Oh. I need these. I need the level 3 headset on this map. Is this the one with the double doors to the kitchen?
Yes. Watch, it won't be. But I'm pretty sure it is. And it doesn't tell us where the thingy yet. Okay. Yeah, it's the one with the basement that I don't like. Pete says powered on.
Yep. Oh, yep.
Tarot cards? No. Unless you took them already.
Oh, I found the fuse box!
Yay! It's nice to us. It's Ouija board. Somebody's favorite. Would you like to ask it the questions? And we do have a hiding spot right here, so that's good.
Okay, yes, then I will.
Okay.
But I need to turn on the light out here somewhere. Oh, there's a plate throne?
Let's see. It must have been a while ago because I don't get any EMF. Let me check the temperature. It's 9 degrees in here, 8 degrees. In here it's 15. Oh my god. It must be cooling off in here.
I will try it, but no promises that I can be successful at it.
Yeah, it goes back up to... You don't have to do it in the ghost room, you know.
What do you ask it?
Where are you? How old are you?
Where are you? Where are you? Oh, it's in the kitchen.
How old are you?
5.
I think
Goodbye.
Goodbye. I think it's 55.
This is the part I normally die, so.
I like that it let us both answer, but I like cutting it off when it gives the answer and it's obvious. Hi.
Oh, it's not gonna kill us?
I don't think
Crazy.
so. I think it was a ghost event.
There's a first for
Oh, wait.
everything.
I took your camera. I'm sorry. What is? There he is. EMF 3.
Oh.
Okay. Leave this on the counter. I don't have anything else.
What door are you touching? Oh my gosh. Stop turning the light off.
Oh, there's no living room hiding. That's scary.
It keeps turning the light off in the kitchen.
And that makes sense, Sophia. I'll workshop it. I'm gonna try the spirit box because I'm brave. Am I?
I'm gonna let you because I'm not.
I'm gonna bring a smudge instead, and UV and dots instead of taking a sanity. Is I'm bringing a smudge. That was too many. 2 thoughts shoved together. My bad.
Okay. I brought a parabolic mic and a camera and.
Oh my
something
god,
else.
we already got a cruci burn.
What?
That's
Oh, you have order?
very fast.
Ghost
Book
writing.
writing. Book writing. I mean, it is book writing, but. What are our objectives? Detect with paranormal mic, parabolic, repel, escape. Okay.
Through the cut.
How dare it? So we have ghost writing and ghost orbs.
Well, do you have the UV in your hand?
Yeah, I don't see any feetsies. No feetsies.
Those are all single stack, just so you know.
Okie dokie. I'm gonna aim this towards the doors. Do I have my camera? Oh, here it is. Not me dropping my smudge. What am I thinking? Temperature? You're gonna slam down some cereal? Oh my god. Okay, Sophia. What kind?
I
Cinnamon
thought you were
Toast Crunch?
talking to the ghost.
Oh, that's a hunt.
I'm also
Oh, it spawned so fast. Maybe we
It's
should.
either Mare, Revenant, or Fae.
Oh, I forgot. Oopsies.
Fae.
Welcome back. I've prepared jobs for you.
Maybe it was 5 years old. I am
Have
sorry.
$45. Takes half of it away. Okay.
I got a bunch of dailies done, so I got 200.
I'll have to buy an item in the store. Thank
That was
you.
so rude. Raheen, aw, buddy, right? Sad. It was so fast at spawning. Thank you for the water.
Okay, I did an upgrade, but it left me with like no money.
Okay. I still have 14K.
I have $500.
Oh, well, you can get the next truck. I'm just kidding.
And I'm like out of stuff, so I'm filling up. Oh, I have no salt. Okay.
Raheen,
We
did
are
you want to
just going
join?
to go for it.
What is
Okay.
Raheen doing? You ready?
Yeah, sorry.
No, you're fine. You
I
can have more time if you would like.
No, I have $9 in my account, so I kind of have to.
Relatable.
Oh yeah, and I have like $9 on Fastbook too.
Exactly what I was thinking. Ooh, Raheen said he'll join soon. Woohoo!
Let's go. Photo of the ghost, Cruci, Firelight. All of our dailies are already done.
Yay! Oh, dailies. Right. I'll do this, and I'll do a little bit of that. Wait. Oh, I keep bringing Sage because I'm scared.
There you go.
I love
All
it
right.
every time.
Every time I'm the chicken.
That was the worst impersonation. Ooh, okay,
Ooh,
that's a good hiding
weird.
spot. That's Cookie's favorite in the whole house.
I have a whole laptop right here. That's crazy.
Oh, it's not here. It must be in the basement.
Oh, I found the bone.
Oh, nice. Do you have a camera?
I don't.
Where?
It's
are you?
also getting colder in this bathroom.
Oh, it's in the bathroom.
It's going between 7.3 and 6.9 in here.
Will you grab it so we don't forget? I'll turn on the power to see if the temperature stays the same.
Yeah, the temperature's actually like everywhere, so.
Okay. Oh. No basement hiding. Okay. Also, it's the mirror. But I don't know.
Oh.
Do we feel like touching it this time?
I would love to touch it. Where is it?
It's in the laundry room. I'll keep an eye
Let's
on
put
the
that down. It's not important. Did you already get a picture of it?
Yes. I'm ready for you to do it.
It is in the
Ghoul.
bathroom.
Oh, nice. Good call. Ghoul, wait, what? Oh, are you are you talking about Freddy? I didn't think this was such a controversial take. Oh, you unmuted at the wrong time. Oh god, what did we say that came out dirty?
What didn't we say? And
That's
why wasn't it
true.
dirty?
This stream is 18 plus. Why isn't everything we say just disgusting?
Right? Is that not what we're here for? Asking for a friend.
Okay, first time back. Do we want to take sanity?
No.
Maybe you should, because you took the mirror or looked in it.
I'll have a
Yeah, take
baby
the take the prescription, not the illicit drug.
Okay, what are you grabbing?
I'll grab
What?
ghostwriting and spirit box, and I will do spirit box to get it out of the way. Ghoul, we are playing Nightmare, and we may have played Nightmare right before this on the exact same map, and both died immediately.
Like instant death.
Like, I called a hunt, and we were both dead already. Like, I couldn't even call it fast enough. Also, we have
I'm
same
gonna
brain placement.
Let you do spirit box while I'm in here outside still, in case it doesn't want me in there.
Where are you? How old are you? Where are you? How old are you? Where are you? Nothing. You can come on in. Let's check the temperature. It's 5 degrees, okay. Do you want me to try with you in here?
Well,
Where are you? How old are you?
Ghost ready?
How old are you? Where are you? And I'm so sorry. How old are you? Where are you? Interesting. But wait, can you... Okay, never mind. My theory was immediately squashed. Did you take picture of book?
Nope.
Okay. How about salt?
Nope.
Is there 3? Did that photo count?
3.7, 2.2.
Wait, do you see that the bone picture didn't count? I can't believe that. Robbery.
I'd already warned you about getting fired. So,
No! No wonder Raheen's getting on. It's to replace me.
oh, George. Sorry if you hear him.
No, you're fine. I'm laughing at Cool. He's singing in chat. Where are you?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna take meds. The small ones.
I die in here.
Oh, I did not leave this much in there. Good luck. Am I going to be on tonight? Oh, tomorrow night. I'll be playing probably. I don't know if I'll be streaming. I have a echocardiogram tomorrow, which I could not even tell you what that is.
So we have Ghost Riding and Orbs again, so we're down to Mare, Revenant, and Fae. So it won't be EMF. Oh, we only get two evidences.
Mare, Revenant, and
Yep.
Wait, did we get... Oh, ghost writing means it can't be mimic, right? I need to remember that. Ghoul.
Ghost
Oh,
Riding?
don't
Yeah.
worry. It's kind of like a... It's like a baseline testing.
I do know us sitting in the dark is murdering our sanity.
I'm in the truck this whole time. Let's see. Crucifix. There is a cruci in there, right? Photo of the ghost.
Yes, because I
Fire.
thought you said it already burnt it, but that might have been the last round that we instantly died on. So.
Literally, going to the same map did kind of confuse me. Hello.
We need a photo of the ghost.
I'm bringing
oh,
a
I put a
firelight.
firelight in there.
Oh, you did? Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing.
I turned the lights on to see, I guess, test for Mare.
Can't murder sanity if you don't have any to begin with. Hi, unicorn. Ghoul, but you should definitely hit me up tomorrow and we should play during the day after my exam, which I guess is kind of like late afternoon. Anyways.
You die, it's important. Okay, better.
Let's see. Put that to there. It's 5 degrees. I'm waiting for this ghost to move.
It likes us both in there together.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Oh, it's 20 degrees in there. It's 9 degrees here. And it goes down to 6.
It won't give us another evidence.
That's a hunt. Was I lying? No, I tried to warn you and I couldn't even be bothered to be right. Well, now that light's off. Yeah, so we kind of need it to hunt to learn something. I want you to sit down. I want you to set up. I want you to learn something. That's a quote. I'm not telling you to shut up.
Do you want me to use the mirror so we can get a photo of the ghost?
Like to make it hunt?
Yeah.
Would you like to be the picture taker?
Sure.
Yay, okay.
I'm pumped up.
Do you want the... Oh, do you have the big camera?
Oh, I can see my breath out in this hallway, by the way. Just saying.
Oh, maybe it was in the process of moving. Maybe that's why it was so cold. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm freezing.
Interesting. In the kitchen, maybe? Oh, the ghost is in the kitchen. The way we would have died because I was running to the living room. So it gave us ghostwriting, and it blew out my candle in here. How dare. Also, Ghoul, I'm central, so I think that makes it even better for me. Could it be? I cannot be bothered to remember anything. So I'm kind of leaning towards it not being a mare.
Because it's not touching the lights at all.
Yeah, not really, except that it blew these ones out. But that's like not much. It's not saying much. Oh, it blew that out. I do. Good idea. Stand over here. Do you have a smudge?
I do.
Okay. It's not
It
this
is
one
2
over
clicks
here.
on my queue.
Okay.
No, I had brought 2 in. Thank you.
Just in case. What else could be?
Good idea opening the second door so we don't run into it. That's genius.
Okay, do you want me to commence breakage?
Yes,
Okay.
please.
The way I kind of forgot that was our plan.
Hey, you're scaring me a little bit.
It's in the kitchen.
Hey, so am I.
Christy. Okay.
I'm dead. I waited too long, but I got the photo for commitment.
Well, at least the commitment.
He definitely did not speed up when he saw me, though, so I would put it as either a Faye or a Bear. He was very slow walking towards me.
Okay.
He's going
I'm sorry
downstairs in
you
the basement.
died. But you did get the beautiful picture.
Oh, level 3, let's go. He's still in the basement. Just throwing stuff. He's coming back upstairs.
Oh my god. I know it's a cursed hunt, but my goodness.
Oh, his face is not cute.
Aw. Makeover
It's like burnt
time.
off.
Is he done?
Okay. It's done.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh, now you will want to event.
His jaw's like busted.
That's sad. Can't enjoy food.
Oh, so you just need to prevent a hunt with a cruci.
I'll try.
There's also sanity medicine on my dead body. And there's an extra smudge in there.
Okie dokie. Oh yeah, because you didn't use it.
There's the sanity and the smudge in my headset.
Oh, this knife is very ominous. Is it still in here? Yes. 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 God, that scared me.
It's in the corner.
All the photos of the ghosts that we needed. Now you're doing all of these events.
Right? Literally,
I can't see your bare chesticles, sir. Just so you know.
So, revenants speed up with line of sight. Okay.
And I don't think he was going that fast when he saw me.
No. That does give Thay, doesn't it? What was that?
There's a text message. Here you go. For you.
Thankies.
Sorry, Burn the Cruci. Thank you so much. You have a great day.
Yeah, I'll just hold 3 smudges. Come on, Ghosty. Come on. You know you want to. My laptop. Crushed my smudge. Get rid of that.
I'm running out of stuff to throw.
Suddenly this goes.
Is that another laptop? What is that? What book? Maybe. Really sure. Oh, I found an electric
Oh,
toothbrush.
there we go.
There it goes. You can leave.
I'm kind of thinking it's a Thay. But watch.
Thay?
It won't be.
I feel like your logic is very strong for Thay, but also if it's wrong, it's not my fault because I'm dead.
Yeah, you only said that it didn't speed up. Wait, are you in here? Are you ready to go?
Yeah, I'm in here.
Okay. We got Thay. We're gonna wish. With all our heart.
It was a mare. You said it wasn't a mare.
Back. I've got some jobs ready for you.
We both said it wasn't a bear. That is so funny.
You guys heard it first. Whichling said, Pete, it's not a mare. Don't put
Mare. You could never.
Don't even think about it being a mare.
It only touched the light switch one time. How are we supposed to know it was a
Yeah.
mare?
That was gross. Bad. Bad ghost.
Agree.
Yay! Welcome in.
Do we need to switch to the other chat?
Oh, yeah, we can absolutely do that. See
Okay,
you there.
perfect.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Raheen. How are you doing?
Hello, Whistling Buddy. I'm doing good. Hello, Peters.
Hello.
Are you okay with nightmare mode for the weekly?
Hello.
This is surprising, but I'm liking Nightmare Mode, to be honest. I did not say that. Nope. You did. Nope.
Oh my god,
nope.
somebody clip that.
Nope. Don't clip it. Nope. Don't. Don't.
And submit it to the official archives.
Don't clip it. You don't. You did not hear nothing.
Ghoul, yes, the weekly challenge is earn perfect investigation bonuses
You gonna
on
join me?
Nightmare or
Ooh,
better.
loading up.
Woohoo!
Like,
Yay!
load now. Let's do it then.
Hi,
We've gotten
JT.
0 of 3.
Yeah, literally, but it's always been my fault, ladies.
Never my fault. I'm perfect. Do nothing wrong.
I
You
mean,
got the code, Lee?
I always take
Uh-huh.
the picture
Okay.
incorrectly.
Well, we're gonna have to.
Hi, JT. How are you doing? I hope your stream was good. I was there for your 21-person raid, and you were so funny. But I hope you had a good stream. I was looking for as long as I could before I had to get ready for stream. And Ghoul, yeah, not soloing that. Nope, that's why we're trying to do this as a group.
So it's best for your head.
No, you're not.
Ready?
Did it?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Go.
Do any of you not use headgear?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay. JT, I was totally zoned with like 2 people watching the whole time. Like 21 people show up. I know that exact feeling. It was so great. I was glad to be there for that.
Oh, she didn't even feel.
Let's see.
It's right there, Raheem. Next to Spirit.
Huh?
Yeah,
Oh, that's
updated
the
one,
EMF.
Level 3.
That just huh?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
level 3.
It's the one that sounds like a microwave. When
I'm
Right.
not used to this one.
you'll
get used to
learn
it,
it
right?
real quick.
Yeah, you will.
It'll be your favorite.
Oh, is this the piano room house? I think so.
You
It
betcha.
is.
But not the piano in the living or in the dining
How
room.
does this thing work? Do I gotta press F or?
Just right click on it.
I did.
It should just turn
Is it
on.
My flashlight. I forgot my flashlight. Oh my god.
Pick up your flashlight, Ryan.
I was so busy trying to be like, oh, I'm a professional, and I forgot my flashlight.
Yeah, Mr. Professional.
I love nightmare mode. I don't even use lights. That's Raheen.
Pretty much.
Oh, it's in the basement. Oh, sad day.
How
Power's
did
on.
this-
It's on?
Us-
Oh.
I got it.
Ain't nothing like enough. How you know this thing?
Where
is
are
on?
you?
Did you take a picture of it? Oh, I found the bone. It's a
Where are
shoulder
you?
blade.
This is so
No.
spooky.
How old are you?
Wait, so where is it?
So where's the
Goodbye.
ghost at? Oh,
It's in the bathroom?
Upstairs or downstairs? Could you tell? There's like
in-
50 bathrooms.
Well, I just heard sweet nothings downstairs where I just was it.
Wait, is this a hunt?
he's hunting already? Hell no!
You really?
Yes.
You
Don't
look
you
at me
dare.
right now. Stop slamming the door.
Hey, Wilson.
Hi.
You motherfucker! And I just came in the fucking game. You gotta be kidding me!
It's very
It's
fast.
nightmare mode, so it doesn't stop after that.
Yeah. Damn, it's very fast. How
Yes,
old
it
did
is.
it say it was?
67.
Oh my
so
lord.
it's not a
I'm dead.
day.
Oh.
What?
Oh
Well.
god.
It
Well-
ran. It makes me think it's a Deegan. It ran.
Yes, it did.
Well,
But if it was
Unless
a
it
fusion,
saw
it,
me and it's a revenant,
would still be hunting us, right?
Well, this
It
not a
is.
good
It's
start.
running.
Wait, it's still hunting? Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Ah, get back in the closet!
come on, what's the
Wink. Ghoul, you're amazing.
okay, it's done hunting. It's not a Deegan because it did not come for you. It turned back around.
Right, let's go back to the truck.
Oh
We
yeah,
gotta get
good
some,
idea.
some
I was like, let's keep investigating.
Not
This is not a good start.
Yeah, Mr. Professional.
maybe a revenant because I don't know if he saw me or what, but he was sprinting.
I need
He
to
said,
check the
"Oh."
temperature around the
You know
house.
what,
Maybe
lady?
it's
I am a ghost.
haunt
You do know
too.
that, right?
Have fun with that.
Let's see.
I
yeah.
can't haunt you.
Okay, have fun.
So it's in the kitchen, you say?
It's in the bathroom.
Oh,
Bathroom.
it's in the bathroom, you say?
And I believe I don't know what
Bathroom it is.
Oh, I need
This
a new
sounds like-
smudge. I'm
This
gonna leave
sounds like a
that there.
gazillion bathrooms.
I know. There's only.
I'm gonna check that bathroom downstairs then.
Okay.
Well, at least the power's still on.
I was. Can you get the picture of my body, please? I'm upstairs in the bathroom,
Oh right.
sitting on the toilet.
Sitting on a toilet. Sitting on a
You
toilet.
want to it?
Sitting on a
Alright,
toilet.
I got the camera.
I have a camera too. I'll get Raheen. I know exactly where he is.
Where's Queen Bee?
Thank you.
Look at that pose. Welcome back,
You see,
Sophia.
you see it with me.
Yeah. Okay, so it's not that bathroom.
He's hunting. He's hunting.
What?
I couldn't even get in there fast enough.
You go downstairs.
Oh, I'm dead.
No, with
What is this ghost.
What is this?
I'm gonna say it's a demon.
No.
Oh my god!
No, guys.
Oh, that's so funny.
Well,
Well, someone
that's a day.
They.
The way
Wow.
I was like, well, it can't be a thing. I'm
James like,
why am
"It
I
is."
always lying? Wow, that was a lovely fifth warm-up game.
Yeah.
Right.
Raheen and Lee just got here, and we get a warm-up game for each of them.
This is your warm-up game, Dad.
Uh-huh.
See
Oh, I
if-
love this place.
right? Let's go classic.
We can actually live this time. Let's go.
Oh, so you're blaming the map. I see how it is.
Obviously, because it's not us.
No.
Ever.
No, not us, no.
It's the map and the ghost.
Every loss is a warm-up. Now that's the truth, JT. Thank you.
I'm not playing, but I also.
Oh my god, I was inside of whistling. Oh my god.
Raheen, we're friends. Let's keep it that way. Okay, let's see. Where are we? Oh, duh. Looks like they left in a hurry. Can
Hopefully
I
this
have a
thing don't
warm-up
start the hunt
live?
this
Now
time.
that would be useful.
I'm gonna check the garage. It's downstairs for the breaker.
Hi.
There's no spirit box.
The bone is in here. How dare you not call it out? Pelvis.
I don't have a headlight on, so
Oh.
I did not know.
Whoa.
No
No
leads,
mirror.
nothing down in the basement. Power's on.
Must be monkey paw or voodoo.
No monkey phone.
Voodoo it is.
Oh lord.
Oh,
What?
nope.
Nope. Mm-mm.
Have fun.
Mm-mm.
He's not
I can't see
touching
this.
it.
Nope. Mm-mm.
I'm behaved. I don't touch it.
I think it's in the
Uh-uh.
nursery like we were standing in.
Coming.
Someone get the potato. I know exactly where the potato is. Did we ever check for voodoo?
Yes, it is voodoo.
Yeah, you're
Oh.
just hiding in there. I love that. Oh,
It
where's
Just
the-
turned the light off in here, and I got sweet nothing.
Where was that?
Why is there just a box precariously on the crib? Because this is storage. Who has children anymore? I'm just kidding. Oh,
Yeah, he's in
Oh.
here.
Yep.
1.3.
oh, oh. Yeah, I kind of feel like it's gonna be freezing temps.
Camera time.
What do we need? Power microphone.
Have to lose our minds.
Got the guardians of our minds.
Let's see. Is this hiding? Wow, this front bedroom, it does have the closet open for hiding.
We got spirit orbs.
Spirit
Or
orbs.
ghost
Ghost orbs?
Ghost orb, my bad.
Ghost orbs. He says spirit orbs.
Oh, I see them, yeah.
We have no footy prints.
Huh, no feetsies.
Okay, talk to me, Ghost.
Is there a ghost writing book in there?
There is.
Okay. Have we tried spirit
We walk
books?
through the sword.
There is a spirit box in here, but no one has tried it.
Okay. I'll bring more salt. We need a
Go
firelight.
ahead, Raheem.
Thanks for the lurk, Zach.
Mm-hmm. Read that loud and clear.
Was that
said-
the spirit box?
It said, Raheem, get the heck up out of...
Wait, it talked to you? I bet it's a
Uh,
mimic.
Raheem.
Yes?
I don't think Raheem did it. He didn't pick it up.
Come here,
Where are
Raheem.
you?
Where
How
are
old
they?
are you? Oh wait,
No, come here, Raheem.
where are you?
Where are you?
How old are
Where
you?
you-
Here it goes to blow a firelight. Okay.
Where you at,
Where
Raheem?
are you?
Let's see where I'm at.
How
Don't
old
worry
are
about
you?
where I'm at.
How old are you? Where
Oh my
are
God,
you?
Bray Wyatt.
Okay, I don't think it's gonna.
We're
do it.
here.
Exactly.
Yeah, more salt.
I got the last sword, buddy.
Cool.
And we need a firelight.
Yeah.
I did not throw the ball.
Oh my goodness, I didn't do that either. It's a soccer player. I don't see nothing.
Okay, got the firelight.
Ghost riding.
riding.
Mayor. Wow.
Mere relevant or something.
Ghost riding. Wait, this is like the 5th time it's been ghost riding and ghost orbs, P-Dids.
Yes, it's been it every time.
Do we think it's let's just mark down Thea and get out of here.
It keeps messing with the lights though, so it could.
Yeah, it could be a mare. Is my hiding down here available?
Oh.
No.
So we have ghost riding, spirit box, right?
Ghost riding and orbs.
Okay.
Where are you? Are you here? How did you die? What do you want? We're here. What do you want? A booga booga booga.
It's not gonna speak to you. Because we only get 2 evidences.
Oh right.
Well,
Oh,
Unless it was a mimic,
true.
but we know because it's ghost.
No,
riding.
mimics don't have ghost riding, yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's
Literally the same conversation we've had like 6 times. I'm like, it could be a mimic. Oh right, ghost riding. Every time.
But wait, it could be a mimic.
Good. Wait, who turned on that light in the boys' bedroom?
I wasn't even in there.
The radio's on. I think it moved.
Oh boy.
oh boy.
Does somebody have a thermometer?
Whoever was just running. I think he picked that up.
I do not. Oh, I do have it. Yay! I thought you took it from me.
We were racing for it.
Oh, it's hunting.
There's something.
That's an
Ghost
event.
event.
Ghost event.
Actually,
Really?
I think it might be in the hallway. It's 2 degrees in the hallway.
After last match, you never know.
Yeah, it's in the hallway now.
Oh boy.
Oh, it's in the hallway.
Yeah,
And
hallway
I picked
ghost
this
now.
up.
Oh,
Hello?
boy.
It's 2 degrees here.
Can't pick anything up.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I have a thermometer.
Hi. So, turn on all the
Okay.
lights and make it mad. Rain is shook, right? Room change. Is my Phasmo game? It's more likely than you think.
What hallway is it in?
I have cold temperatures in both.
Oh boy.
Oh, boy.
I feel like the hallway counts as all one big one. That's what I've always thought. So, the audacity. Ooh.
Oh.
Who was that yet? Was that you, P-Dids, driving out of
What?
here?
Me? Shouldn't be.
Whoops. I hate when I pick things up on accident.
We're just trying to figure out what it is at this point.
Yeah, we
Have to
basically
hide,
needed to
yeah.
hunt, and so people should be careful. Because if you don't have a smudge, you'll probably die.
Weird.
So okay, so let me get smudged just in case.
You know, that's a ghost event. And it came for
Not me
P-Dibs.
going through all my smudges because of that.
Oh my god, where's the
Wait,
candle?
you smudged?
The candle.
No, I didn't. I was
Okay.
behaved this
I don't
time.
have matches. I need matches.
Did you drop them
Is that
somewhere?
matches?
It's in here, Raheen. It's right here.
Thank you, buddy.
Yeah.
You act like you seen a ghost.
Can't pick. Oh,
Don't hunt yet, Ghost. I need to claim my witch things.
Emma White Rose, thank you so much for the lurk. I've been loving lurking in your streams lately. Also, remind me if I said that wrong. Okay, so what's the plan?
We're waiting to die, and hopefully we won't. And that's about all I got.
the planet to run like hell.
Sure.
I have found that, Raheem.
What?
What? Hiding from the Revenant will cause it to move very slowly. I forget about that part.
Maybe I need to put a cross right here. Oh my god, I dropped a smudge stick.
This is why we can't have nice things.
Oh yeah, it's 16 degrees over here. Hallway drops down to 2. It's up to 10 degrees in the baby's room. 21 degrees in the bathroom. We can't see Light's pretty little face. He is very good at positioning himself that way. Ghosty. Did the ghost turn this light on?
No,
Wait.
I did.
So we know.
Oh,
We know. Actually, I don't know if this is true. Do mares have the ability to turn lights off? I mean, on. And yep, Pup, this thermometer is in Celsius. Because it's
That sounds
easiest.
familiar, but
Right.
it could be because you asked me that question before.
Right.
Like, not today, but another day, and I still didn't know the answer.
I'm gonna look at it. I forgot my question.
You gotta be over there. Why? You're gonna sacrifice it all.
oh my lord.
Oh,
Mares cannot interact with lights to turn them on. So, let's mark mare off. Unless one of you turned on that light in the front bedroom.
That wasn't me.
Confess! Cool. So,
Was not.
watch, it's gonna be a mare, and I'll take full responsibility.
Again, wow, this sounds really familiar, like deja vu.
Literally. Literally.
Cannot be a mare.
you dropped down the pictures right there behind Lee. You
Unicorn,
dropped down
how
that picture
can
and
y'all
turned the light.
tell who it... Oh, how can y'all tell who it is by the hunt? It's how they act during the hunt. Specific ghosts do specific things, apparently.
The Revenant will book it, but the Fae was booking it too, so I don't understand.
Yeah, the Fae must have been much younger than we anticipated. And I
That
forget,
Fae was
like...
supposed to be 67.
Yeah, that was very confusing. And then I forget that Cookie says that Fae doesn't age unless you're in its room.
That Fae was like a 67-year-old marathon runner. That
Oh,
purchased
it
him in
turned off the
5K.
generator.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, now.
That doesn't narrow
I'm just
it
kidding,
down.
it's in the basement. I'm not going.
But yeah, unicorn revenants, if they have line of sight, apparently they will book it. That's a cookie-ism. What's special about Thay? Oh, the longer Thays are active, the more slow they get because they age. I don't know. I question all of my knowledge at this point.
That's more
Well,
than-
that kind of makes sense.
Because it was the very beginning and it booked it and killed everybody. It was just very athletic.
Yeah. It was very athletic.
So if this guy speeds up when it sees us, then it is Revenant. If not, if it stays slow, then it's a Thay because we've been in here
Yeah.
forever.
And the longer the Thay does nothing, the more I think it's a Thay.
Open up the closet.
Was that y'all?
No.
Interesting.
Did it move again? Is it right here?
I don't think so. Let's check. It's 1 degree in here. Let's try.
Why did somebody open these?
It's 15 in
No.
here. Yes, I did.
Okay.
It's still in the hallway, I think.
Yeah.
I'll open these ones too. Who dropped their lighter again? Raheen.
No, wasn't me. I got my lighter.
Got mine.
Oh, I don't have a lighter.
Oh boy.
Oh my god.
The instant death I was about to face.
Oh my lord.
You would have been like, why didn't my sage burn?
Exactly.
That
Didn't have a lighter, silly.
is so funny. The panic in her voice.
Oh,
Wait, open the door next to
oh.
And cut out the.
Yeah, it keeps turning out. Oh, literally, it's gonna be a mare. I'm gonna cry.
I think it is.
Yeah.
Do something. I can't believe it's not hunting. Make it hunt by flipping the lights. That doesn't work.
We need to get the Cruci out of here. Will that make it hunt faster?
We had 2 Crucies.
Huh? Why would you do that?
The wrong
panic. The panic in his voice. Huh?
Wait, Peters, don't. We need to. Wait, Peters. We need to. Peters?
It's okay.
Peters? Oh,
Who needs protection?
okay, Peters. If I die, it's on your head.
It's on you. Oh,
And she goes. Oh,
Jesus.
Oh my god! Even I fell for
oh my
that.
god.
I was panicking. I was like, which way? Which way? There's no hiding. No!
Did it turn off the lights when I did that?
I don't know. I was
I
too
don't-
busy panicking.
I don't want to find out, to be honest. Oh,
Oh,
Oh.
It sounds really slow. I needed to go farther away so I could test it.
It is still in the hallway.
which lane?
wrestling. Wrestling.
It did not speed up when it saw me.
So it's a Thay or a Mare.
Oh my
Oh
god.
god.
It's
God.
very
Oh,
slow. I'm gonna guess a Thay. It's done.
Okay. I'll just wait.
Why'd you have to let him know it was done?
Let me have-
Because I'm a good friend.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Whistling.
listen, buddy.
Thank you for being a friend. That's me. Yeah, Unicorn, you're so brave. I was only brave because it was slow.
So it's a male, right?
Go. You can circle that if you would like.
I'm going with A.
I'm going with
No.
Thay.
Yeah,
Oh
I'm
my
gonna go with
gosh!
that.
Hello. Hi. How are you, Yakub? How are you doing? Thank you for the raid. How was your stream? Hi, Cookie. How are you? Welcome in, everybody. I hope your stream was good. How was your Phasmo adventures? We are struggling to get these nightmare modes down for the weekly challenge that just started. Hi. Okay, sorry about that. I got raided.
You're good.
You're good.
So what are y'all deciding? Mare?
I decided, man.
P-Dids?
I have Faye circled, but couldn't it technically be a mare because it took forever to hunt, and that could be because the lights were off?
Could be. I would not argue with that logic either. A mare will have an increased chance to attack in the dark. We were in the dark for so long.
That's true.
Mm-hmm.
It took forever to even hunt.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yakub, it was chill. Bada had the bed. Well, thank you so much for the raid. If you have to raid and run, do not worry. Thank you. But yeah, do your after stream care. If you have to go to bed, if you have to get some food, do your thing. I appreciate the raid. Depends on sanity. Mare still hunts with lights on, just at lower sanity. I'm saying Thay.
Yay!
Hey, yay.
Was it a mare?
No, it's
No,
okay.
hey.
Oh, okay. I thought y'all were cheering because y'all got mare right. And I was like, God damn it, I was wrong again. Cookie, hi. I'm very sick, but
Hi,
I wanted to
Cookie.
say hi. Oh, Cookie, I'm so sorry you're feeling sick.
Hope you feel better, Cookie.
Yep, you feel about a cookie?
Yeah, pup, which golden girl are you? Oh, I would be Blanche. Are you kidding me?
Oh, I love Blanche. Oh, she's my favorite.
Actually, I think I want to be Blanche. But I'm Dorothy. I think that's the truth.
I would want to be
We
like
got the perfect investigation bonus too.
Sophia or
Sophia
but I'm-
would be great.
probably a Rose because yeah.
Rose. I would love to be a Rose, but I still think I'm a Dorothy. Thank you for the lurk, Sophia. Ooh, thank you. Cookie for coming in. I'm gonna try to lurk, but I probably won't be paying attention.
Oh my God, Piers is close to me. Oh my
Sounds
God,
good.
she's close to 88. Oh Lord.
Y'all, I have to go to the bathroom real quick.
Take your time.
Take your time.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Level 88, look at you, Raheem.
Yep.
Peter's just catching up to you, Raheem.
Sharply.
What? Queen Bee's catching up to you.
Sharply.
But Raheem's at 188 and I'm not, so
Oh, well, you forget about that. Oops. You'll be fine.
Mm-hmm.
Cute dogs. Dog. Look at the doggy. The cute doggy. Aw.
Mm-hmm.
Sleepyhead.
Ladies.
Look at them stretches.
He's like, okay, I'm going back to sleep now.
Okay.
Gay? Gay.
You're talking about
What's
Mr.
up, buddy?
Light? Completely. I was like,
Mhm.
maybe if I pet him, I can scooch his bed and manipulate him into showing himself. Okay. That's my vote. Y'all can vote for a map, or we can accept.
Oh,
The
thank
doom.
goodness.
Oh my goodness, these choices.
Boy.
Hi Silky, how are you? I like this Tanglewood decision.
Oh my.
I would just like to say I checked before I voted, and Raheem is the only one that put prison in, so this is Raheem.
Oh.
Raheen!
He did.
Silky, how's the ghost hunting doing? It is a struggle tonight. We're doing nightmare mode because there's like a weekly challenge to do nightmare mode or better and get a perfect score. And we may have died every single time except for the last round. So that was technically our first game, even though it was like our fourth. I'm doing all right. Face is a bit angry, but chilling with a beer and lurking and sorta. Well, I'm glad that you're chilling and lurking. I appreciate you. Why is your face a bit angry? Does that mean like it's irritated? Or you just have a resting bitch face tonight? And thanks for the good luck. We're gonna need it now that we're in prison.
Fool Peters.
Okay. I'm here.
Wait, I went the wrong way. Oh my god.
What's
That's
going
because
on,
you
boy?
followed me.
I was following Peters.
Ooh, I'll be this person. Okay. None of you took lighters.
Oops.
Not super important, but it's just funny. Also, where's Sophia? I moved light for you. Also, Cookie said all of the cursed objects spawn here.
Oh boy, great.
Oh,
And so it's tarot cards. They're right here.
great, and I'm following Peters.
Like right in the
Wait.
front door, just so you know. I took a picture. We should
Good.
probably save them for when we all inevitably die.
Don't worry, we will probably only die.
Silky, well, trying to go from a goatee to a full beard, so trying out the derma roller. Oh, I see. To see how that works. Good luck, my good friend. I wear my facial hair in a way that disguises my bald spots that I have because my facial hair just decides to not grow in certain spots. Because what? Genetics.
And sis, that's tea.
Nope. He does this
Ye-
right.
Peters.
Y'all didn't find it. What?
What?
Find what? The box of power.
Oh, it's on.
Oh,
Oh,
it's on.
Okay.
It's
sorry.
on Whistling Belly. It's
I
in the.
didn't
It was
hear.
in the Chiefs room.
Okay. Yep, Tup. Oh, I got breath in the Chief's room. Wait, this isn't the Chief's room.
Where?
It's just an office, I think.
Yeah, it's an office.
But the power is not in it. But I think it's by the power. Well, the door was open, so y'all had been here before. It's by the staircase. I'll turn the lights in the hallway on. Yep, Pup, I'm prepping food in the kitchen, and you're on my iPad, and I keep thinking Raheen is saying penis, and my brain is like, why are they so enthusiastic about penis? What are they saying? Yeah, it's upstairs,
That's where I'm missing.
and I don't have a thermometer.
This way.
I have one.
Oh god.
It must
Straight
be.
down the last door to your left.
Oh,
You did.
it's when you say P dids, they hear penis.
Oh my god.
Incredible. I hear y'all. I see flashlights.
Flashlight.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hello. What's up?
Oh my god, I've ruined everything for us.
Whistling.
I'm so sorry.
Yep, it's in here.
Oh, I thought it was this light.
We talked about the camera.
I should just stop touching the camera. I cannot handle the responsibility. Was that the ghost?
Yep, I took a picture.
Wow, your picture of the door will be worth something. Mine was worth zilch.
You were just ahead of the game. It's okay. It happens.
I appreciate that generosity.
The one and
I
only.
wonder if it can touch the whiteboard. Whiteboard.
I'm gonna look at Lee's record. Let me look at these records.
Right. Lee, wow, you're on half of these records.
Well, darn.
Lee, you've been arrested 5,000 times.
I blame Raheem for the whole thing.
What? Wow. I'm an angel. I'm innocent.
Here they were
Yeah.
sure they couldn't find him. They arrested me instead.
We'll take you in his place.
Wait, how do I get downstairs?
Downstairs.
The stairs are like right there. Oh, I guess the stairs are complete blackness. That's kind of
Okay,
terrifying.
I'm going downstairs.
Okay, I'm
You
trying-
are?
Lee, you're going the hard way. Lee, if you go
Yeah.
this way.
Okay.
Raheen, I'm
Oh.
with you. Oh, okay. We can turn
Oh.
lights on the way.
That is easier.
Cookie's biggest criticism of us is turn the lights on. And we're like, no!
What's light? What are lights again?
Silky, at least get to see the progression on stream. That is true. That's interesting. I like that. I've seen my own hair progression on stream, on top of my head hair. And right, I'm 37 and my goatee is as good as it gets. It's so relatable. Literally.
I thought where to put this at. Right here,
Did
maybe?
somebody bring
Yes.
a thingy?
Why not on the ceiling?
I got the firelight and I got the crucifix.
Okay.
Thank you, Peters.
Somebody needs to cleanse
Crucifix.
the area near the ghost.
Have fun, Raheem.
Got the the firelight, man.
Oh, good. I got your room. Finally.
Oh, that's it.
Two. 1.1.
Oh God. Oh God.
Well,
Nope. Not
That's-
going that way. Nope.
what's the matter, Raheem?
Nope. He turned out the lights. Nope. Nope.
You look like you
I'm
saw a
saying-
ghost, Raheem.
Nope. Certainly. I'm
Oh,
saying
it
right
turned
here.
off the firelight.
Yep.
Now I'm calling it firelight. Oh my
right next to me.
goodness!
Oh shit.
It's a ghost event, Raheem.
Peters,
I know
you're
that,
amazing. I saw that insta action.
That's what I was.
Leave my
You
firelight
turned
alone,
around and
ghost.
said, "Ghost who? Snap!"
Where's the...
Backpack, I'm sitting in your chair.
But also, it's not a phantom because the ghost didn't disappear when you took its picture. Do we need anything else, like evidence-wise, I can bring in? Otherwise, I'll bring in some salt. Oh, I see a ghost orb.
Where are you?
I see ghost orb. Did it talk?
Nope, ghost orb.
This goes
You want?
once. Want to kill us?
Can you talk to me?
Well, I could talk to you. I'm out.
Don't forget to cleanse the area.
Do you like Raheem?
Don't you say that?
I'll bring in some extra
You wanna talk to Raheem?
smudges.
I take that as a no.
How did you die?
Oh yeah, P-Dids, did you hear when I tried to ask the Ouija board how they died? It told me.
Wow.
And it was really depressing.
Oh wow.
Because I was like, how old are you? And they were 15. And then I was like, how did you die? And they were like, drowned. And I was like, oh, what a bummer. I shouldn't have asked. I'm sorry. And I was like, well, goodbye. That's sad. No, I'm sad. Okay, I brought some. Oh, who needs extra smudge? There's one.
Me, I need one.
All these cruci burns, I love it, and our van is full of sanity medication. Do any of you even know where you're gonna hide when it hunts?
No.
I don't even have a flash. Oh, yeah, a lighter.
Oh, I love this game, and I love y'all.
Love you too.
I literally
Wilson,
don't
Where do
know.
we hide?
I don't know what counts as a hiding spot in here.
Can you talk to me?
Yeah, you can talk to her all you want to, Lay.
Let's see, what's this room?
What's
like?
your name?
Oh, we can hide in these bathroom stalls.
Where?
Are you friendly?
I can't even see.
Spirit
Box.
It's gonna be a mimic, I bet. So we're looking for
It walked to the salt already.
ultraviolet. Can you check for footprints? If you're in there.
Where's the ultraviolet? Okay, there it is. Oh! I do not see no footprints.
Okay.
I'm confused.
About what? Okay, I cleansed the area.
Always get our sanity below 25%. It's okay. We don't need sanity medicine.
I love how that just means we don't need it. I don't know about
What?
that. Could you bring me in a
Yeah,
smudge? Oh, that's
Ghost
yeah. Did you like how I was not sure in my voice at all? I was like,
all the-
yeah, not a. That's a hunt. Oh my God! I can't be right about anything tonight, can
Oh
I?
my god.
I am so
Okay.
sorry.
The
Nope.
witchling that cried hunt.
Literally, I'm
this.
sorry.
Fuck this. Fuck this. Fuck this. Fuck this. I want this door closed. Fuck this.
Wait, was that an EMF 5?
Wait, I can't close the door?
No.
Oh, okay. I'm fine. Okay.
If anybody went back to the van, can you bring me a smudge?
I can.
I would appreciate.
Also, I'm gonna grab myself a lighter.
Okay.
I do need a lighter for myself as well.
Lee, can you help me out, please?
I don't know what the hell you're at.
I'm in this, Lee, I'm right here.
I don't know where the hell you're at. I love it.
Okay, okay. We can go now.
Oh,
Go that way then. Nope.
that's
Nope,
our
never mind.
last cruci burn.
Nope. Going back.
Right.
Nope. Have fun, Lee.
Yeah, have fun, Raheem.
So if it's a mimic, it'll be UV or freezing temps.
Yeah. I'm waiting for UV. Also, Lee, Yupup says, who's the fourth person playing? Their accent is dreamy.
Dreamy. Ooh.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, P. Dids, your accent is gorgeous. I've never mentioned it.
So your smudge stick is at the bottom of the stairs because I'm not confident.
Okay.
I'm kidding. I brought it.
Okay. Oh, you're the best.
There you go. You have that one.
But I think you're talking about Lee, Raheen. Lee, Yupup.
I mean,
That's
I
a
wish
hunt.
you would. I mean,
I'm gonna let it see me. It did nothing.
you don't see me.
Wait,
You don't see me. You don't see me.
please
You
don't
don't
be a
see me.
Diogen.
Please don't see me. Please don't see me. Please don't see me. Please, please, please.
It's hunting?
Yes, it is.
It's Ben hunting. Thank you.
Oh, huh, that's good to know because I'm
You're like typing in my chat while we're being hunted.
I'm at the front door, so I'm not hiding at all.
Okay, let us know if you hear it come
Whoop.
close to you.
Oh, don't worry. Oh, I'm dead.
What?
How did you die?
Sounds like you didn't have a hiding spot.
Nope. I had a smudge snake to get a chance to use
Wait.
it.
Okay.
No, it's still
No?
hunting.
You're still hunting?
Yeah,
okay.
it's
Oh,
coming
yeah.
back.
That's one way to die.
I dropped my lighter. I think it's done. Why can't I pick it up? Okay, there we go.
You dead, Lee?
That was so scary.
Uh-huh.
I can't get out the bathroom.
You stuck in the bathroom.
I'm stuck in the bathroom. Okay.
I'm trying to think if we learned anything from that. It was pretty
No.
slow and it didn't speed up. If anything, it slowed down when it came towards me. Which I guess might support mimicry. But it just won't go below freezing. Lee, you said you had a smudge?
Yep, and a lighter.
Oh. I'll go visit your body and pay my respects
It's
and
hunting.
also loot
It's
it.
hunting. It's
It's
hunting.
hunting.
It's hunting.
Yep.
Well, I'll be the next one to die.
You fucking
I can't find your... I can't find the smudge!
I stole it.
She stole it.
Oh, okay.
Which
Well, at
was the
least I know
locker.
not to look for something.
My light was off. How did he find me?
Wait, you're dead? No.
Yep.
Oh, it's
Oh, he's
still-
right here. He's right from my dead body at the main entrance. Walking down the hallway.
Yeah, they're coming for my ass.
He's going in a cell block.
He's looking for you, Witchling.
Oh, don't I know it? I'm
But
going-
he's walking normal speed.
Mm-hmm.
I am going to die.
Oh my god. Who's
What? Who
Oh my
threw that
God,
at me?
Who is that? Oh my God, Witchling.
That's Witchling.
Wait.
Oh my god.
Oh my God,
What?
Witchling.
Are y'all surprised by where I'm hiding?
Yeah. Because
Oh.
he was right behind you. He was right behind you in that room.
I know.
Oh my.
Well, I figured that maybe the jail cell is kind of like the bathroom shower in the lighthouse, where it's like, even though they can see through it, maybe it'll still hide me. I didn't know these lockers could open, but you can't hide in them. So now I'm just lost. I like ran hiding. I don't know where I am.
No.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I think I do know where I am. I love that it opened the other door that I closed. There were lockers right here.
Yeah, that's where I hid.
You watched me walk past?
With
Wow.
the sludge you wanted, yes.
Literally. That's amazing, and I love you. So, yeah, it was pretty slow, and it couldn't find me.
Was that Anyo, Yokai, Nair?
It's a yokai. We could try talking near it and see if it hunts.
It took forever for it to talk to Lee.
It did.
Well, talking to it should just make it hunt in general. It doesn't have to reply.
Should we put fire lights out?
To see if it's Onryo? Sure. I think I'm gonna take off my headset. And
Holly.
I'm gonna use a regular
Well, how's it fun?
flashlight.
How's it like being a ghost?
Pretty cool.
It's great, love it. Y'all are so funny.
I can walk through doors. It's great.
Raheen, do you have a smudge?
I'm dead.
I know. Does your body have a smudge?
Uh, I think so.
I was like, how do I say this without P. Dids also running in front of me to get it? Oh, it's
Don't laugh
hunting!
at my
Ah!
body.
Wow.
Yep, it's hunting. Oh god. Oh god.
I'm dead
Why?
No,
How did it?
Peters.
Where were you hiding?
in a bathroom stall.
In the bathroom.
The one right next to you.
No, Peters.
Oh, really? You don't say.
Yeah. So there's a smudge in there.
What
You
do you?
already stole it off my body? No?
No.
Oh. Oh, no. That's Lee. Oh, no. I wasn't in the stall next to you. I was two down. Two down. I was in the first one.
I thought it was done hunting.
It's hunting.
Hi,
So
what's
yup,
your name?
ghosts react to electronics. So if I turn my flashlight on, it can locate me while it's hunting. If I use a non-electronic light, I can keep it on during a hunt.
Oh, okay.
That's why I have my lighter on sometimes.
Ooh, okay. Thank you
Yeah.
for telling me that. I
Learned
did
that
not know
from
that.
Cookie.
Oh, thank you, Cookie. I did not know that.
That's good to know. Whoop.
Yeah.
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 Wait, is it? Did it never stop hunting?
Good question.
Okay.
I don't hear it.
It's done. Okay, so you were next to Raheen. I love it.
Yep. There's sanity meds and a
Oh, look,
smudge.
there was like 4 smudges here. No, I'm just kidding. Oh my goodness. I kind of think the ghost moved.
Me too.
'Cause- let's see. Yeah, it's 4 degrees in here, 8 in here. It like moved to the bathroom we're hiding in.
Right?
And we're like, why are we dying? I please do not have moved very far. Do you think? Oh, it turned off the power. Can one of you lead me to the power? Is it in
Sure,
here?
where you at?
He's right
Wait,
here.
It's hunting, right?
Hunting.
Fuck
Hunting.
me.
Yep.
It's
Hi,
in
what's
with you.
going?
It's
It's right
fine.
behind.
Right behind you, buddy.
Wrestling.
Wrestling.
Run.
One buddy. One buddy. One buddy. Oh, buddy.
Ah, I couldn't get the door closed.
Pick something.
I did. I'll pick you a kite.
I'm guessing Onryo or Mimic.
I'm picking Omeo.
I can't.
Mayor for fun.
Oh.
Near.
Are you kidding me? Every single time. If I ever
You know
say it's a
what?
different ghost, just say it's a mare.
Wow.
Wow, and it. Wow.
Who didn't find the bone? Oh.
On that map, it's so easy.
On that map.
Well, this time, Raheem, don't pick that map.
And what if I do?
That's true,
Well-
yeah, pup. If I say it every time.
Well, that's the reason why we die.
I'm just. Wow. So you pick. Wow. So it's my fault.
I
Okay.
love this.
I'm just an angel trying to make it in the Bel Air.
Is that why we all died then?
Well,
Well,
I'm sorry
like
that whistling died.
the way I was like, oh, it's probably this ghost, and I was wrong, and I was like, oh, we can hide here. Everybody dies. Like, maybe don't listen to me. Oh yeah, you'll be safe in this bathroom. All my friends died in there, except for Lee. My
Aw.
goodness.
But now I'm taking a firelight. Forget that.
But also, yep, pup, you use lighters to light the sage in candles.
Uh.
I'm bringing a thermometer
Okay.
for somebody steals.
What do we need?
Don't forget a lighter.
Oh,
And we
yeah,
need
lighter.
everything, basically.
Okay.
I found the bone.
Dang it.
Yay!
Power's in the basement.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Got it.
Ooh, there's hiding in baby's room. It's not music box.
That's not Ouija board.
Good.
It's the mirror.
What? Nope. Nope.
Nope.
Nope.
Fuck
Nope.
that. Fuck that. Nope. Nope.
It's
nope,
in the
nope.
bathroom in the hallway.
Did you take a picture
That's
of it?
nice.
That's nice to know.
Yes.
You're so funny. It's in the bathroom in the bathroom.
Oh, it's in the bathroom. Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Okay, so that's crazy. Yeah, we're all not traumatized by bathrooms, right? We're good. No, nobody just died in a bathroom. It's very cold up in here. Somebody come take a picture.
Firelight.
It's
Okay.
3 degrees. It's very cold in the house in general. Very Hantu vibes.
Oh, dots.
Dots.
Very Hantu vibes. Just kidding. Hantu doesn't have dots. Ah! Not me always being wrong. I love it.
Okay, got the firelight.
Where are you?
Got that.
Can you
got
talk
that.
to me?
Oh, you have to turn off the
How
light.
did you die?
Or is it just dots in there? That's bright.
It was just dots.
Wow. On the camera, it looks so
What do you
bright.
want?
Oh, I could have turned off that to find out.
How old are you?
Taken away. Somebody come get her. There's freezing temperatures.
I like that. I like that one.
It works if you use that extra syllable. Then nobody's questioning it. Let's see,
Oh.
I'll bring this and I'll do this.
Touch the bathroom door.
Where are you? How old are you? Why did you kill my friends last game? And me, I suppose.
Oh. Likes peering on dots, doesn't it?
So it's doing dots a lot? Oh, I see.
Mm-hmm.
Did somebody get a picture of it?
I'm trying.
I'll take pictures of the salt. Or will I?
Hey, I told you to blow up my candle. I mean, my lighter.
Okay, Rahi.
Loves the store.
It does. Oh, touch the door again.
Will you stop opening up the door, opening up and closing it? Jesus Christ.
Maybe want some privacy.
What is that? That's the privacy.
Wow. How rude.
You're welcome.
Oh, there's our Cruci burn.
Yeah.
Do we have anything besides that?
Nope.
No. My incorrect guess is going to be freezing temperatures.
Should we try one person in the room?
Yep.
Yeah, let me talk to it.
Oh.
Alright.
Yes.
Where
sir.
are you? How did you die? Where are you? Do you like popcorn? Do you like Cheetos? How did you die?
Cheetos?
What do you want?
They burn out the candle.
Where are you?
Right here.
Oh, okay.
Oh god, it
There
could,
is.
it
There
could
you
be a
is.
Diogen. That's scary.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh, well,
You could get no clear answer than that.
pretty much.
Literally, that was the clearest I've ever heard them.
He likes trying. Might be a Nancy.
Shut up, Lee. Don't you dare say it's Nancy around me.
Might be a Nancy.
Don't you. It went right past you, Wesley.
I
buddy.
know, I saw.
Oh, it's Michael Knight from Knight Rider.
How many more Cruci burns do we even have?
You need to make it hunt.
What?
I think we're out of Cruci burns. So wait, no, there's one more. My bad.
Okay, we ready?
No.
No. And it blew up my damn candle. Wait, where am I going to hide?
Oh, it's in the boys' room now.
Ooh, I knew it. Raheem, move.
Oh, shit.
Move your booty.
Oh, don't worry. I'm moving it.
Oh, I'm dead.
I don't know what it is. Somebody take its picture, see if it disappears.
I did it right in front of Whistling.
Oh boy.
How dare they?
Damn it.
Wow.
I don't know whose idea that was, but it was dumb.
I didn't necessarily give me Diogen energy.
No, if Lee's alive right now, then no.
I am alive.
Okay.
For how long, I don't know.
Well,
Where are you,
do you still have a smudge?
basement?
You could try talking and see if it comes for you.
Is it done?
No.
Oh. Oh boy.
Dead bodies all over the place.
Literally.
What does a phantom do?
Phantoms disappear when you take their picture.
Teeny phantom. He's still going.
Still?
Yep. He's done now.
Oh my lord.
Well,
Oh, my brain.
this haunting turned into
A massacre.
literally.
Wow. Okay.
So what do we think?
Good question.
I might pick Phantom.
Hey Lee, go try and take its picture.
Yeah, that would be the best way to find out. If you take its picture, it will disappear.
Okay.
But that doesn't mean it's gone. It'll be invisible. I learned that from Cookie as well.
It's in the boys' room now too, just in case.
Oh, great.
It's hunting.
It's hunting, Larry.
Oh, I know
try
it
and
is.
try and take its picture.
And then
Careful,
smudge
Larry.
for your life.
And I'm dead.
No! Lee!
You sent me a picture.
Did it disappear?
Nope.
Oh, maybe it's a yokai.
It came right at me.
Damn it.
It's
I
a
got
phantom.
him. Woo, okay.
Welcome back.
I changed it to yokai because Lee said it didn't disappear.
It didn't disappear. I changed the yokai too.
You disappeared.
I kept it as a phantom. 'cause-
I got a
I
phantom.
can't believe that I didn't trust myself after being wrong so often.
Well, see, Witchling says it could never be a mare. So then I go, okay, it's a mare. And then Witchling says it's a phantom. Wait, no, it's not a phantom. I was like, oh yeah, it's a phantom.
What? Literally, that logic is so solid. Damn. Red to filth. Well, we've proven we can't live on that map either.
Is there any map we can live on? We will maybe ever find out.
I don't know.
Maybe the hospital, maybe not, ya pup.
Uh-oh.
Before P-Dids can change their mind.
I just got like for real a little bit spooked because I heard something and it seriously sounded like someone walking through the house.
In your
Oh,
house.
my
And it was
No.
George in his cat box.
Ooh, yeah, but we could do the campsite.
We've arrived. Check
It better be
vehicle
George.
George.
up before investigating.
George, what are you doing being scary?
Reports of light switching. Possibly harmless, but be careful out there.
Light switching. So it's a mirror.
Oh, literally. Okay, let's pack up and go. Hey, we got Dawn. See, this is gonna be real good. This only portends good. Oh, I didn't bring a headset. Oop.
We have the mirror, Petus.
Oh, God. I can't.
Coming.
What?
This won't be a repeat.
It's in the laundry room.
Yay! I know where that is.
I do not.
It's next to the master bedroom.
Following which
Power's on.
Thank God. I can't see.
Oh, it threw all this stuff. Wow. Put that there. The camera's in here if you need it. Did you take a picture of the mirror?
I did.
The mirror? So that is a hiding place this time, so that's good.
What is?
The bookshelves right by the front.
For real, for real?
For real, for real.
Oh my goodness, George.
Let's see, we'll take some of this, and we'll take some of this. What?
Do, 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 do.
It's a little spooky.
Where are you? How old are you?
Oh, that's EMF 5.
Oh,
Where are you?
that's a great start.
How old are you? Where are you? Are you friendly? Well,
Did you touch? Oh,
Oh,
dots.
oh boy.
And it's not a wraith because we've gotten salt already.
And it's not a Goryo because it went through dots while we were in here. So it's Oni or Raju.
Or let's see, what does Raichu do? Electrical current. They can become agitated when overwhelmed with power. They're constantly disrupting.
Oh boy.
Suspicious. Okay.
Firelight.
What does Oni do? They're much more active while people are around. So if we leave and watch on the camera, maybe they won't do anything.
Okay, we can try if you want.
Also, we still need the bone, right?
Yes.
I'll look for a bone then.
Okie dokie. Let me know when you leave the room, P-Dids.
I left.
Okay. And then, Lee, if you find the bone, or if y'all feel like heading back to the room.
I go back to the room.
Okay.
Is it gonna be spooky?
You betcha.
Oh, Rain's right down there. Okay, have fun, Rain.
Ooh, Raheem booked it up there. I thought you were in the truck with me.
Have fun there.
I'm upstairs already.
Okay, well then you could bring your butt by that room then.
Okay, so I did find the bone. It's upstairs in the bathroom. Ooh!
Oh.
Oh,
I saw dots and nobody was in the room, so maybe it's Raiju.
it might be Raiju.
I
So-
walked up to the room and it started acting up.
Oh, maybe it acted up.
Oh,
It's hunting?
ghost
Yeah.
event.
Oh no, that is
Oh,
a ghost event.
Door's
Okay.
still open.
It did really mess up the computer, so maybe it is
Mhm.
Raiju. Raiju. Oh, we have
Peter,
to
do you have a
repel it
camera?
while it's chasing someone? Oh my god. What the fuck?
Pushling, do you have a camera?
I have one.
I don't
Okay,
have
it's
one.
upstairs. Let's play Petus. Upstairs. The light. Well, the light was on, but it is on now. But. Yep.
Thank you.
Of course, I don't have anything electronic.
You welcome, Petus.
Did it move?
I keep hearing doors open. What?
Yeah,
I am too.
wondering if it moved. It's still chilly in here. Okay. Ooh, EMF 5. Where? It's still in here.
Keeps touching doors.
Nope, it's still in that same room.
Yeah. Well, I guess if we want to overwhelm it with power, turn this on, turn this on, turn this on.
What is that?
Oh,
Well, the fan just turned on? Question mark?
did it?
It did.
It
Boy, this
doesn't.
place gives me.
The
gives me a
EMF.
creep. Ooh, gee.
That's not a hunt. I don't know what it was though.
You know, first the fan and then. What's it touching now?
He touching a lot of stuff.
Literally.
William.
Will I am.
Mm,
William, what's your problem?
George, you got a problem?
Georgie.
Oh, I just saw dots in there.
Oh, in there. It turned
Turned
off the
light.
light. Do Raijus turn off lights if they like power?
Oh, and it's touching the door. What's our other option? An Oni?
Yeah.
A Raiju can power from nearby electronic devices, making it move faster.
It's so. It's doing a lot out here.
Does that mean it's on Oni?
The chair, he's singing the chair.
It's not out here.
Only are much
I
active
don't know.
while
Should we
less
try
people
it
are nearby
all
or
leaving the
somewhere.
house to see if it stops acting up? I just don't know how to keep track of activity if we're out of the house. I guess through the camera that's not in the room. Oh, it just did dots in there. That doesn't sound very Oni-ish. Lee, are you out of the house? Yeah,
Yep.
you are. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's dotting.
I don't think that's Oni.
So would you say
Watch.
Raju then?
I've got Raiju.
We could still have it hunt, and Oni disappears less often while it's hunting.
Mm.
We just have to break the mirror. And we have to cleanse an incense.
And then Oni.
While it's chasing somebody anyway.
Yeah. Get back in and your troops. Forget I said that. Yup, Ghost, you were doing too much. Stop being dramatic. Literally. Just tell us who you are.
Did it just turn the kitchen light on?
I didn't turn that on. Twasn't
wasn't-
me.
This kitchen light wasn't on before. Neither was the storage thing.
He must have cut it on.
Power's still on. Okay.
The mirror's right here by my feet.
And is it in your hands yet? Okay.
Oh, I'm holding this much.
Was that a Cruci burn?
Yes.
Yeah.
What?
What?
Oh, my power's.
I'm turning on lights and you're like, oh my god!
Hey,
What the?
What do you think you're doing?
That's what she's doing. She's attracting the ghost.
Why is it so fast?
I can't see where I'm going.
Oh wait, is anybody looking to see if it's disappearing more often?
it's not disappearing.
That's Oni then. Like it's not flashing.
Oh, whistling nobody.
Oh, and P dids, yay! I'm not alone.
Oh god.
I really don't know, cause it do be flashing.
Don't move, Ryan.
Okay.
He's too happy about this.
Yeah, he looks way too happy.
He's going pretty fast.
That's gotta be your.
Roger.
Yeah, so something that's gotta be your eye shoe.
It's
'Cause he's going way
it's
quick.
flashing too much to be Oni, I think. Okay, it's done.
Mhm.
I'm putting
Lee, are you
Raiju
also dead?
and I'm done.
Oh no, me and Ryan are fine.
Oh, how nice! Oh, how nice! The hunt noises are so intense on Nightmare mode. I think it's just this ghost.
This candle really is helping a lot.
Right? See, I love these
And he's
tips
walking in
that
dots
Cookie
and there
has.
with nobody in there. Still.
to light is such a cute little cinnamon roll. Right? I'm
See that,
glad I
Ryan?
turned him around.
Mm-hmm.
He's walking in dots with nobody in there.
Yeah, I see it.
Raiju.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I got.
Raiju behavior.
We all ready?
You
Yeah.
betcha.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, do your thing, Ryan.
That's it. What the heck is doing on the... Oh, okay.
Bum 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 bum.
Yay!
Yay! Oh,
Holla. That was tough.
It was.
it was.
Why does it always have to remind me that I died? Ooh, it did change rooms. Thank you for the water redemption, you pup. Yum, yum, yum.
That was the last one for PDids.
Oh,
just
Yeah,
okey
thank you
because
for the games,
Yeah,
guys.
absolutely. Thanks for
Appreciate it.
joining.
Nah,
y'all.
It was fun.
Thank you, thank you,
I
thank
had
you.
fun.
Thank you. I'm
Thank
going
you,
to
Wizard Buddy.
keep watching.
Okie
Same.
dokie. I
Anything
will
else?
still be
Have
playing.
a good night. Take care.
absolutely.
Over. Love
Bye,
you all.
y'all. Thanks for
Bye.
playing.
Goodbye. Thank you.
That was lovely and so much fun. Thank you all for that incredible game, or those incredible games. You all were so fun. They were. I'm so glad that we have all become ghost investigating friends. And we also play other games together. It's so nice to be friends with y'all. I love it. Okay. Yep, pup. I'm doing your wish. Your wish is not my command, but this time maybe it is. Not watching in bed. Sounds good, P-Dids. Y'all are amazing. Crucifix, headgear. Motion sensor, parabolic mic photo. Okay. Video came out. Same. I'm watching for a few more. Sounds good, Raheen. Thank y'all. Y'all are amazing. I don't deserve y'all as friends, but I'm so grateful to have you as friends. Yeah, pup, I want to cuddle up in bed, but I still have to wash out hair dye. Oh, no! But then you get to curl up in bed. But yeah, don't go to bed with hair dye in your hair. It'll get all over your pillow.
Whoever
But it-
was here must have summoned the ghost with a cursed object. Investigate it, but be careful. We don't know what it's capable of.
But it looks like they left in a hurry. Gosh, so gay today, Witchling. Gross. What did I say? That was gay. What was gay? You have good sheets now. And it looks like they left in a hurry. Okay, let's do this thing. Bum-ba-da-bum. Okay. And we don't see Slender Man, so let's keep it that way. Oh, I don't have a flashlight. This is not good. Ah, Raheen! Thank you for the 25 biddies. Are you kidding me? We die together and you give me biddies? What more could I ask for? And of course it's snowing on an outdoor map. Like, I'm effed. You're welcome. That's right, buddy. Love it. Oh, that's not hiding place. This is also not hiding place. Oh, I don't like this at all. At all. Gears / Goth, hello. It's been a little bit since we've talked. I hope you're doing well. Ooh, it's tarot cards, ladies. Hey, Witchling, I did a thingy. Oh, Goth, what did you do? Is this cause for celebration? Or alarm? Can I get through here? Oh, cool. You did a face stream and I missed it? Are you kidding me? You're currently face streaming? I need to come see. Well, congratulations, and I'm so proud of you. What motivated this? Do you see what I see? I see that Sadako is here. I don't like this. Oh my god, the ghost is in here. It's never been in this house. I don't like this. Not Witchling getting murdered while tabbing, honestly. It could happen. Oh. That needs to never turn on again, because it is not 7 days. It's not happening. It's gonna be negative temperatures in like 2 seconds. Goth, I'm off to go back to my stream, but had to say hi. I am so proud of you. I wish I could be there. I will raid into you if I can. Unless you don't want me to. But thank you for the water redemptions as well. I appreciate that. Go negative temperatures, come on. You know you want to. Are there candles in here? Also, where would I go hide? And it looks like they left in a hurry. Thanks for the water redemption, y'all. I don't know where I can hide. I don't know. This is such a cute little cabin. Not there being a piano. If that piano does anything, I'm out of here. What are these noises? Okay. Y'all, it's not okay that you left me alone to play this. Because this is too scary. And I'm not okay. Okay, I can hide over there. I'm pretty sure. Stop with these crinkly cracklies. And if I see Slenderman on this map, I am alt F4ing. Because it has been too much. Every time I see him, it's too much. The way he spawned outside of the map, it's not okay. I mean, like, he always spawns outside of the map, but it's like, you know what I mean. P-Dids, you know what I'm talking about, right? Please. Slenderman is basically like the tall man. But it's like a faceless, white-headed man who's abnormally tall. And he's like wearing what you perceive as a suit. And I have played where he spawned out here by the frickin' truck. Like, are you kidding me? Also, I want to see if I can do something real quick now that I'm thinking about it. Oh my god, no, not that. Oh god, awful. Terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Okay. I don't know who he is. I don't know. I didn't know that was a thing. Yeah, it technically would count as like an Easter egg. Kind of like Jason and the Blair Witch Easter egg. But so like, I kind of think he can spawn anywhere on the outskirts of the map. And if you see a white orb and you think it's the moon, do not approach. It is terrifying. And I pee my pants. I'll bring this. I'm not trying to die. Yeah, it was like just right out here. You can actually kind of see it in a picture I posted. P-Dids, can we find him? Like, you want me to go look? I have a theory. I do have a theory that he actually spawns every time. But yeah, it's whether you see him or not. Because he can be kind of like vague. And like I always see him on accident. And I don't know how the developers got that done. But also I'm looking for the bone. I don't want to hear crackling. Yes, can we find him? No! No, we can't. No Ouija board. I mean, I'll look, but I'm not gonna like spend 35 years looking for him. Because I honestly don't want to find him. He is so scary. He's scary without doing anything. Like, he just is... I'm getting the heebie-jeebies. Can we find him, please? Oh my god. We can try. We can absolutely try. Okay. But I'm also looking for the bone. Yeah, I don't see him out here. It's actually pretty noticeable once you know what he looks like. Pitas, I found out like 2 days ago that there were 2 bathrooms. Really? I love that. That is amazing. Like, if he was out there, I would cry. I don't see... Yup, Hup, Raheen! Thank you so much for the biddies, y'all. I appreciate that so much. Is it Music Box? Thank you, Raheen for the 11 biddies, and Yup, Hup for the 100 biddies. We will look for him, don't you worry. I appreciate both of you. Ah! We found it! And I don't have a camera! Yay! Okay, remember the blue tent. I'll never remember the blue tent. Okay. I support finding him with Raheen. Well, if Raheen wants to get in here and help me find him, that's a different story. And I've seen him over here before. He's been standing there. And I don't see him. Like I said, he's very obvious when he's actually there. No. We paid you with biddies. Find the guy. I can't make him exist. My God. Watch, y'all are gonna riot. But give me 1 second. Let me drop my shit. Get my camera and let's go. We're off to see the slender man. We're off to see the slender man. I can't find him. I can't. I'm in bed. Oh, I see. I see how it is. I am not okay. And I don't think he moves. And it is nighttime. I have that's also my theory, is he only spawns at night. I hate how much I'm looking because I know if he actually is there, it'll be so obvious and I'll scream. Also, what if there's a hunt? I'll never know. If he does move, I will not be playing this map anymore. Right? I don't think he does, though, so rest assured. Who knocked over these garbage cans? What the fuck? Stop! Who made that sound? Okay, oh, there's the Blair Witch thing. Seeing him. It's a hiding spot. Hiding spot. Hiding spot. Okay, I'm gonna check outside, and this is where I'm gonna be very scared. Also, did y'all know there's a car here? Like, who's here? Who's still here working? Yeah, like, we would see him already. Oh, I hate this, though. His big fat head. Got a fat little head. Oh, there's 2 cars here. I didn't know that. Wow, we parked them in. That's rude. Oh, can I not get over here? Oh no, I can't get over there. I'm thinking he's not here. I can give you all refunds. Because I think we're back to the beginning. Guess we'll have to come back to this map again, right? Let me play this map until I get Slender Man. It's okay, no worries. Well, thank you all for... Whoa, did you know you can fall off of this? But thank you all for the biddies. And I absolutely would come back to this map if you really wanted me to. And I'm like, maybe we can see him out here. Like Slender Man, Slender Man, Slender Man. Is it like Candyman? I mean, can I finish my game or do I have to like reload right now? Wow, it didn't even do that. I think the ghost moved in my impatience. And now you want to know. Ah! Hopefully I'll come back when it's not snowy. We're gonna find Mr. Slendy. Don't you worry. Oh my god, can my character run? But also this ghost didn't hunt very much. I don't think it hunted even once. Oh yeah, especially on the stream you would see him. Let's see. Based on my very thorough investigation, I'm gonna say it's a shade, but I also have to go to the bathroom. Yeah, the picture in my Discord is after I died. And we were like, oh good, after you die you can't see him. No, you can. He's there. I got the ghost right! Are you kidding me? What now, P-Dids? What now? You don't believe me? I'm amazing. Look how much money I got for doing nothing. That is amazing. I love it. Okay, I really need to go to the bathroom before I pee.
Ladies.
Okie dokie, I'm back. And you are so right. Most money paid all night. Literally $12.50 for guessing. I mean, it was based on how it hadn't done anything. It didn't event on me at all. I can't believe that. I cannot. But I love it. That's incredible.
Alright, we're here. Take a look at the equipment and prepare accordingly before starting the investigation. I've got nothing else to report, unfortunately.
Okay. And it's nighttime, and it doesn't seem to be raining or anything. Which means it's a very good night for Slendy boy. Oh, I forgot it opens in. Okay. Stop that. Peters, well, you were already... Oh, you are now a legend. Well, you were already, but you have just proven again as to why. Right after I fully proved that I was terrible. With all my terrible guesses. All night. Sorry. Looking for the bone. Just habit. Have I been here already? I'm already lost. That tent is open. That's suspicious. Oops. Oh, it's not tarot cards anymore. How have I encountered him so much? And he's just never here. Everyone probably thinks I'm lying. I'm a liar. Yeah, I don't see him. Ooh. Actually, I think the ghost is over here, though. It's 14, and then it drops to 4. Oh, see, those white things really confused me for a second. Well, we found the ghost, so there's that. I didn't find the other thingy. Yay. Also, this is where the monkey paw spawns. Do we need to bring in the professional? Who's that? Cookie? Wait. I did find the bone. Yay. P-Dids is gonna get out of bed and come look for Slender Man with me. Is that what you're saying? I just can't believe I've encountered him so much and nobody knows what I'm talking about. Let's see, the ghost has been active. So I'm gonna guess. No, I'm just kidding. Let's see, I'll bring this. I think there's a camera for that part of the map. I guess not just this. Wow. Bring this. That's all. P-Dids, ha! Not me. Interesting. I thought you said a professional. P-Dids. I actually put Light away for the night. He got in trouble. He was eating something he shouldn't have. Which ultimately is my fault. But if you want to see him, you'll have to give me a little bit, because he's in his kennel. What was that sound? I didn't like that. If he is in timeout, it's okay, but I will need a rain check for Tuesday. Absolutely. Absolutely. Just like we'll have to rain check Slender Man. Do I really not have any pictures of him? I think I've taken more pictures of the mannequins that teleport than Slender Man. Yeah, I only see pictures of... Hey, look what we found. Raheen, you would want a rain check for Slender Man? Gotcha. Yep, and it drops down way down. Okay, still out here then. I'm gonna drop this. Pick up this. Go get the bone. I'm so efficient. I'm getting tired. Sounds good, Raheen. If you need to doze off, feel free. Have a good night and take care. You as well, Raheen. I'm so glad we got to play some games. It was so much fun. And I hope you have a good start to your week, my friend. Hopefully it goes by nice and smooth. With not a care in the world. Take care, P-Dids. Yup, pup, and unicorn. 100%. You too, buddy. Good night, Raheen. Talk to you soon. Okay, let's see. I didn't bring this yet. Okay. Put that there. I think do I have one space? Oh, I do have 2 spaces because I got dropped the smudge. Bring this, and we'll bring this, but I'll take a sanité. Oh my goodness. This night vision really lights up that, the forest. Oh, and P-Dids, next time I will beat for that #1 spot. Ah! Oh, so excited. Well, where am I? I'm like only looking at the camera. And I can't really see past it. Bring it on. Oh, ghost orbs. Oh, okay. I forgot that it's summoning circle, which I also need to take a picture of. I might move this to over here. It's ghostwriting. Cool. That means it's not. Oh my god. Literally, P-Dids? It is literally ghostwriting in ghost orbs again. Are you kidding me? I'm falling asleep also, but also need to see you get this right, so it was us getting you killed. Ah, no! Now I refuse to die. I needed to hunt. Ooh, I know how I could get it to hunt. But actually, before I do that, I'm going to run and grab more things. But P-Dids, if you have to go to sleep, please don't stay up on my ghostly behalf. It seems to be leaving the lights on. That's true, that's true. We're gonna have to see if it goes both ways. Let's double check ghost orbs. Well, I guess if it's ghost orb and ghost... Oh, if it's ghost writing, it can't be the mimic. Forgot. If I disappear, it's because you zonked out. Sounds good. There's the ghosty orb. Confirmed. Okay. Bring this and this. I'll get a bunch of pictures, and then I'm going to light the summoning circle to get it to hunt. And then we're going to see if it's fast or slow. And it hasn't turned the lights off yet. So far, my guess is the Revenant. I mean, the Thaye. I can't believe I found the bone so fast. I literally make it look so easy, and then I play with y'all, and I'm like, it's a mare! Like, all the time. I don't know where the ghost walks here. I'm like so paranoid that... What was that sound? Is it hunting? No. Oh, that hiding spot's not there. I don't even know if this counts as a hiding spot. I don't think it does. Oh my god, that was it was walking in the salt. I was like, what is that noise? It's coming towards me. I'm gonna die. Yeah, okay, relax, Matt. So maybe I wasted my salt by putting it over here. Oopsies. Oopsie, poopsie, oopsie, doops, doopsie, doopsie. Oopsie, doopsie, doopsie, doops, 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 doopsie. God, that scares me every time. Wow, you couldn't walk in all of it? I should have put it all together if I was going for pictures. Whoops, I need that. All this littering. Ah! Oh my god. That scared me. So it says mares have more chance to turning the lights on around the mare will less. Okay. So let's see. Will it hunt? Was itchy. I really don't know where to hide. Also, turning up the lights and do nothing. So maybe it's a they. I think it's time to take matters into my own tentacles. Let's see, is there somewhere to hide up here? Again, with the no hiding. I literally don't know where to hide. I'm only partially a Satanist. I need 2 more photos, and I have 2 more salts. Oh, that scared me. Hunt, you damn they. I guess it could be a revenant. I can't believe it didn't hunt after doing those things. Did he really hunt? Oh, I know where I would hide. Ooh, these are perfect last photos. Okay, you know what? P-Dids, I don't know if you're still here. But, Cookie literally says that is an indicator of a mare. Where am I? I'm gonna die because I don't know where to hide. No! I don't know. I'm doing a mare. I can't. I was so... I got lost. I couldn't find the bathroom. Or that disgusting porta potty. I fully ran the wrong direction. Oopsies. It was a mare. I should never trust myself when I say it's not a mare.
We've arrived. Check the equipment and get set up before investigating. Whoever was here must have summoned the ghost with a cursed object.
Oh!
Investigate it.
A cursed object? I don't believe. Ooh. I'm here during the day. We'll see if he can spawn during the day. Oh, the hiding place I was going to use last time isn't even there. There is something very nostalgic to me about this campsite, like during the morning. I don't see any Slender Boy. I wonder what the chances are. So I guess it's not every time. Wow, it's really warm everywhere. Tarot, ladies. I don't like these sounds. Are any of these tents open? Oh my god, where is this damn power box? Hi, Zach. Look at you catching a Galarian meow with the... I like don't know where else it spawns. Next to the bathrooms? I guess. I think I found the ghost, ladies. But where? I don't see where the temperature is dropping. Wow, none of those are available. Is it in here? Why did it throw a basketball at me? If it's not going to be any colder over here. Oh, I found it. It is by the bathrooms. I didn't know it could spawn here. Thank you, Henerator. Don't need your loud antics. It is. Oh, wait a minute. It's cold in here? Is it haunting this closet? Is it haunting this area? 17. 8. 15. 16. 8. I didn't know it could haunt a closet like this. Oh. Remind me not to walk under that ladder and get cursed. Because I feel like this damn game would do something like that. Which one's on? Oh. Okay, this ghost is active AF. It's still going down. Okay, what's the fastest way back? Oh, it is this way. So that ghost has a wide range if it threw that basketball at me. Did I turn that on? Yeah, I must have. But did I? I really don't remember turning on lights in there. Do we think it's twins? Oh, good. I have room. I feel like I would remember turning that on. I turned the generator off. You dirty bitch. Can't be a gen if it turns it off, I think is what I have been taught. Maybe it's haunting the bathrooms and I'm misunderstanding, but I think it's this closet. Still going down. It's normal in here. It's the closet. I need to stop thinking it's anything else. Let's listen to some sounds. Reception area. I don't... How come I don't see the ring to the one in the closet? Oh, that is the one in the closet. The one in the reception building's not working. Why? What is that? Oh, those are cameras. It says it's on. Weird. Maybe if I adjust it. Okay, I need to bring the camera. Also, I think this one will be my last. Hopefully I live. Oh wait, I wanted to go touch it. Acetaminophen and a prep. Wow, this literally looks like an image from The Ring. I left the camera over there. Oh, it's getting warmer. Is the ghost over here now? I thought I had just died. Okay, now it does seem like it's in this bathroom. It's very obnoxious because I just got here. I walked under it. Oh god. Down there. Uh-oh. I don't know if I learned anything from that hunt. Stop with these crinkly crackles. Wait, what did I do with the camera? That I was bringing it over here. I must have thrown it. Nope. Oh, I did throw it. Okay. Are you kidding me? Oh. Oh ho 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 ho. Did that just give it away? Bitch. I think it could be a phantasm. does that require? Spirit box, ultraviolet, and dots. The 3 things I don't have in there. Ultraviolet. Is this other one on yet? Nope. Cool. What are my tasks? Firelight, EMF reader. Oh, I also didn't bring that. Pretty water. That's a good picture. On the inside. The more you know. It's honestly looking more and more like a phantom. Somebody come phantom. Oh, it's getting warmer. I wonder if it's moving yet again. Let's see if we can get dots though. Spirit box is the other one, and then this is for the challenge. Oh, I don't have that. Firelight EMF. Okay. It's like I wanted to not be carrying the camera so I could hold my stuff, but I also wanted the camera because I wanted just in case it hunts. Oh, but do I, if I take another photo of it while it hunts, I will lose my perfect game. Unless I get my photos now. I think it moved because it was not in the bathroom area. I basically walked towards it on accident. I wish I was carrying salt. Oh, it's hunting. Oh my god, it seemed like it knew exactly where I was. So it came from over here. Yep, it's over here now. Is it just straight up in this bathroom? Yeah, it's like this whole bathroom area. $17 over here. 3. Oh, I need this. Uh-oh. Run. Oh. What happened? Why did it come for my ass? Oh my god. Oh my god. That was so scary. God. Alright, firelight. Got the EMF reader. We just need to do spirit box. He wanted you to know he knew you were there. Like, I don't know about you. Yep. Unicorn. But, I thought I was gonna die. Did you see that? As soon as I enter. If it comes for me, I don't have a smudge. I knew it! I knew it! Oh my god, this asshole! I can't! Also, nice clip, Zach. I mean, I don't know what the clip is, but nice timing.
There's some jobs ready for you.
I knew it was a phantom! Are you kidding me? I am so offended and and it changed rooms twice, yeah, like I thought. Picnic area, where's that? My goodness, I can't believe that. Betrayal and disrespect. So I think I will call it a night there. It has been a really fun night of games. It's been real chill. Even with all the screaming, I feel like it was much easier on my voice tonight. It was very fun, Zach. Thank you for being here. And I'm sorry that Light can't be here to say goodnight. He's in big boy trouble. And he knows what he did. But good night, Unicorn. Good night, Zach. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you for hanging out, everybody. Yup, Pup, Raheen, all the biddies, P-Dids, Goth. Thank you. I am going to raid out like I thought. And I do have new raid messages. Woohoo! And we're gonna raid Goth. And like they said, it's their first face cam stream, and I am so proud of them. So we're gonna go raid and support them. My next stream is Tuesday, but you never know. I may do it tomorrow. You literally can't predict me, except that my schedule is literally right there. But until then, I love you all so much. Bye.